Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from How to Fix Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix audio not streaming on Discord. So let's get started right away. If you open up the Discord application and you're trying to stream an audio or a video but you don't hear an audio on your device, then there are a few things that you can try in order to solve this issue. First of all, make sure that your internet connection is running smoothly and that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a data network. If you are connected, open up another application that uses the internet, and if this application is working just fine, then your internet connection is working fine as well. The next thing to check is whether your application has some updates available. So open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and search for Discord. If you see an update button instead of open, then you will need to tap on it to install the latest updates. Just wait for a while until the installation is complete, and when you see the open button once again, you can tap on it and see if this resolves the issue. If it still doesn't work, then one final thing that you can try is to open up your phone settings and then tap on apps. From the apps page, scroll down and search for Discord and then tap on it. Now just tap on force stop at the bottom right corner and then tap on the OK button to force stop the app. Then tap on storage from the menu and then tap on clear data and the delete button to delete all of your data. After this, you will need to log in to your application once again, but when you open it up and log in, your audio streaming issues should be fixed. You may also need to provide applications if you haven't provided it yet. If you accidentally click on the No button, then you can go back to the phone settings and tap on apps, and then go into Discord settings once again. And underneath permissions, make sure that music and audio, as well as microphone and photos and videos are all placed underneath allowed. If they are not placed there, you can simply tap on them and then select the allow option to allow access. And there you have it. That is how you can solve your issue of audio not streaming on Discord. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.